Samsung is running out of time. And they know it. For years now, Samsung has tried to beat TSMC, but poor chip yields have been their biggest enemy. 3-nanometer technology? It didn't go well. Too many chips failed during production, and major clients walked away. But now, Samsung has a new mission, a comeback, and it's all riding on their 2-nanometer GAA chip technology. So what's the plan? Samsung wants to reach 60 to 70% yield, meaning 6 to 7 working chips out of every 10 produced by the end of 2025. And why is that number so important? Because it could bring back massive clients like Qualcomm, who are still on the fence. In fact, rumors say Qualcomm might use Samsung's 2-nanometer process for its next powerful chip, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. But hold on. Wasn't that deal already canceled? Earlier reports claimed so. But now, new information suggests Samsung might still be in the game.
Right now, Samsung's 2-nanometer yields are only at around 30%. That's not great, but there's progress. With their Exynos 2600 chip already in prototype production, Samsung is targeting 50% yield in a few months. And here's the big picture. Samsung is betting everything on this 2-nanometer breakthrough. They've delayed their 1.4-nanometer node and put all their resources into fixing this one issue, chip yield. If they succeed, they don't just win back Qualcomm, they prove to the world that they're ready to take on TSMC, and maybe even win. They've even finished the design for a second-gen 2-nanometer chip and have plans for a third-gen 2-nanometer called SF2P+, all within just 2 years. But here's the truth. None of this matters unless big customers start placing orders again. Because Samsung can build the best chip in the world, but if no one wants it, what's the point? So will Samsung hit that 70% target? Will Qualcomm come back? And will this finally be the moment Samsung turns the tables on TSMC? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. The race for the future of chips is just getting started.